Okay, $35,000 Canadian for all you American hicks. Oh wow, look at that. That looks beautiful. What is this then? A small block something something, big block something something? America?
This is a 10-to-1 ratio 347 stroker, so a stroked out 302.
Yeah.
Pushing about 450 horsepower.
Exactly.
Edelbrocht intake, sniper, electronic fuel injection.
The only thing I understand about any of that is the
Stainless steel headers.
Stainless steel. That is very nice.
Like, but I don't really need those ridiculous frickin' mufflers.
Tips? What do you mean?
No, it's a glass back, so it's like whatever. It's somewhere.
You mean muffler like exhaust? Like
yeah.
Muffler the whole exhaust? Yeah. Didn't it have like
This is the exhaust I had before, but now it's got a crazier engine, so it just sounds like stupid. Like it's almost like a motorcycle now.
Yeah, I don't like those motorcycles, but it's different to me. It's a vehicle, so I don't know, man. Whatever. Just take a break on the finances.
Oh yeah, I'm not gonna do anything right away.
Out there.
How do you feel with little American muscle?
Yeah. I think I like it. So many things lately. Never thought I wanted a Ferrari, now I want a Ferrari. Never thought I wanted muscle. Even the first time driving this thing was great, but now it's so much, like this is all new too, right?
Oh yeah, whole new transmission.
Like now it's like drivable. Like even though it's way more powerful, it was.
Yeah.
Evolution.